I already got holistic travel guy here. Just about to go shopping in the market with my little basket. And taking my first Thai cooking class ever today. And here's the vegetable market over here on the right. And the group that is cooking with us is behind me. There's about 7 of us today. And I'm really excited about learning how to cook Thai food because Thai food is amazing. It's so delicious. Aroy, as we say in Thailand. And this gentleman is an excellent driver as well. He squeezed down the tightest spots in Thailand. So we're here in Chiang Mai at a cooking class the first week.
Everyone, my name is Oun, O-U-N, Oun. In Thai it means good eating. My name. Jeffrey from America and Lilina. Divorce from Hong Kong. Lily. Sora. Hong Kong too. Okay. And Sophie. Yeah. And Chile from the Netherlands. Oh, cooking competition today. So this egg. Now what is it? Now, have you tried it before? I think Hong Kong you might have it. The egg with the black inside. We call 100-year-old egg or century egg. Yeah, in Thai we call horse pea egg, preserved egg, fermented egg. The egg, put them in the many spice in there, let them cook. So now inside not normal, it's more all black color and salty, squishy. So we put this in the, we eat with the congee, with the soup. Also for stir fry with holy basil. So today not eating. I not force you to eat something very dry. And